Good morning vlog. Welcome back to a new one. Sorry if I'm like lisping a little bit more than usual. I changed out my retainers last night and they really are not fitting yet and they hurt so badly. So I also am like just don't have the energy to work to make my voice sound normal because it's just a lot of pain happening in there. So I also woke up really yesterday, but today even more, just like feeling like I'm fighting a little something. I don't feel like that sick, just have a bit of a cough. You know how you get like that like bad taste in your mouth when you're like on the verge of a sore throat? Sort of have that going. But we do have a fairly substantial to-do list today, so not too much time to sit around. She always has to be in the middle of whatever I'm doing. Anyway, so I want to get some vitamin C going in me just to start off this day. Hoping I have my vitamin C stuff. This is one that I like. I feel like I've told you guys this before, but this is the Airborne one in Very Berry. I like it better. I don't like the taste of like orange juice that much, so this is much more up my alley. I should go to the drugstore today to pick up paper towels, so I'm gonna grab some more of these while I'm there because I only have maybe 2 or 3 left. Alrighty, while that dissolves, I want to do a little bit of skincare. So this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel, daily peel. I don't do it daily, I only do it like twice a week because it exfoliates your skin and I don't feel like I want to do that daily. But it is a really nice product to do once or twice a week just to give your skin a little boost. I especially love the second step in it. It feels really nice on your skin. First step sort of exfoliates. You can see on here it like pulled a lot of dirt off of my skin. And then this is more of like a moisturizing, calming treatment, I guess. It's just a nice way to follow up the exfoliation. And I like to go down onto my chest area as well. Just getting the tiniest little zit right here on the front of my nose. A little Rudolph spot. And some vitamin C moisturizer. I've legitimately seen a difference in the brightness of my skin since using this product. Okay, and look at this, our drink is ready. It really is pretty good. So I want to make sure that I drink this while it's still warm. Yeah, it's good. And so because of that, I'm not gonna open up my laptop or anything until I finish drinking it. That way I don't get distracted, it gets cold and it's not as good. I'm just gonna put on something on the TV, drink this, and then we'll start work. Because I know myself, as soon as I get onto my laptop, any drink that I poured, coffee, anything, it just gets like pushed to the side. Okay, we are getting moving. I have to film some stuff today, so I'm gonna start putting my makeup on. I poured myself some more of that Trader Joe's matcha drink I've been having lately. Very delicious. Let's fix this face so that we can get to filming. Just finished filming a video, so I'm glad that's out of the way. I'm actually feeling better, which is also a lovely thing to have happen. And I decided really quickly, I'm just gonna pop out now and go and run the quick little errands that I have to do. I have to pick up paper towels and some of that emergency stuff. Let me see how Molly's doing on food. Yeah, she's fine. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna grab that stuff and then we'll come back and probably work a little, have some lunch in a bit, all of that good stuff. It is a beautiful downtown day. Nice and warm out. Love it for a walk. All right, gotta be around here with the flu stuff somewhere. Ah, here we are. Perfect. Let's grab, both of them are sort of like beat up. What's going on here? Looks like it's still sealed, so okay, we'll do it. Look at all the Christmas stuff. Lots of cute things here, actually. Good work, Walgreens. Okay, paper towels. Yeah. Perfect. Okie doke, back home now. I don't feel like holding my camera. It was actually a sort of toasty walk. I'm like a little bit sweaty here. I'm trying to decide if I want to film again. I'm sort of thinking, yes, I do. That way I don't have to do it tomorrow. I think that would be a good move. I'm like debating whether I even want to say this on my vlog. Like, is it stupid to bring up? I don't know. I'm just gonna say it because whatever. It just really bothers me when I'm out in the world and like someone makes a comment about my appearance. And for me, it's not even like, I don't know, I'm not offended or whatever. It's just like, sometimes it just bothers me. It's not even like on this walk someone yelled something inappropriate at me. It was like just a random guy. We were in the elevator together. He was delivering a bunch of groceries. We had like a nice small exchange back and forth. And then I'm literally all the way out the elevator starting down the hall and I hear him like yell from the elevator like, "You're very beautiful, by the way," which is very kind. I know it was done with kind intentions. My issue is there's just no reason to comment on my appearance. There's no reason. We weren't still having a conversation. He wasn't asking for my number. He wasn't asking me out. You know, like, I know it was done well-intentioned, so that's why I went back and forth about whether I even wanted to say this on my vlog, because I don't want people to attack me for feeling this way or whatever. It just is like, maybe what it comes down to is that's not a part of my value system. Like, I like to look nice. I care about the way that I look, but like, you know, there's so many more important things to me. And I've just never been in a situation where, like, I've never been in an elevator with a guy and felt the need to tell him that he looked attractive even if he did. It's just like, why? You know, like, I don't get it. I don't get the need to randomly comment on a random girl's appearance, good or bad. Maybe that's just me being overly sensitive about things like that. Totally possible. I just don't like it. It just bugs me. It rubs me the wrong way. There's nothing against that guy or whatever. It's just like one of those things that I'm really gonna try to instill if I ever have a child who's a boy in my life. It's just like not an important thing to comment on unless the situation calls for it. There was no reason for him to yell when I was already completely out the elevator and partway down the hall that I looked beautiful. There's no gain there, there's nothing. Instead I'm sitting here talking about it, you know? I don't know, maybe I'm being overly sensitive. I probably am. It just irks me sometimes. But anyway, let's see, it's 12:22. I think I am gonna try to film this other video, get that over with, and then I can work on lunch and editing and all of that. I just think I'll be glad if I get it done right now. Just heard a little noise coming from over here and I just peek under. What are you doing? I'm just lounging with my shoes. You love shoes? Yeah, you love shoes? Oh, yeah, shoes. What? What is it? Do you want to play? You look like you want to play. Let's see, Molly Cat. Hi. Weirdo. Okay. Let's see. Where's one of your strings or something? Let's find one of your better... Oh, literally right where I was standing. Look at her walking with it in her mouth. Come here, let's play with this one. This one's more fun. Gimme. Yeah. Your little play kitty. Let's get all that energy out now before I start filming. Oh, yep, into the shoes. Unhand my shoes. No, no, let go. No, let go. The shoe is not a toy. Oh yeah, thank you. I love how gentle she is when I play with her with my hand. It's like she knows that we're just playing and that she's not allowed to bite me. Sometimes she does, but... Okay, yep. You are the getter of strings. Okay, all done filming. It is now 2:20 in the afternoon, but I'm glad that I got that out of the way. Now it's really just editing and some work on my computer that I have to do, which is always nice just to get all the filming out of the way as much as it's a total bitch. And now I'm gonna make lunch. I'm starving. I'm starting to get a little hangry. So we're gonna make like a fat wrap here, really big, using one of my spinach wraps, which are really yummy. And so I think I'm gonna use some of my everything but the bagel spread here on the bottom here. I think that'll be a super yummy change to the wrap. Oh, it's gonna be so damn good. Look at this wrap, you guys. I'm so hungry. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this right now. I'm pretty pumped about this wrap, guys. I feel like the everything but the bagel spread on the bottom is gonna be a game changer. All right, here we go. Oh my God, that is so good. Everything I could want out of a wrap right here. Devoured that, still hungry. So going to do everything but the bagel dip and some of my 3 seed sweet potato crackers. Hi friends, I disappeared, but only because I have just been working on editing a video for tomorrow all day long, literally nonstop since 3 p.m. and now it's 7. Actually, in fairness, I just spoke to Connor on the phone for like 35-ish minutes, but before that, it was nonstop. But I am pretty much done with it. I just have to add music, and since it's mostly a talking video, it shouldn't be like difficult to get some music in there. But I'm taking a break while I still have the energy to do so, and I'm going to the gym. Really a big bummer. I have been majorly slacking and I can see and feel the difference in my body. So I gotta just, it's so important to get a Monday workout in. If you don't get Monday, you probably are gonna slack the rest of the week. At least that's for me. So I'm going to put my sneakers on and head out. Workout complete, and honestly it wasn't as pathetic as I thought it would be. So could be worse. Got almost an hour in, probably like 50 or 55 minutes. It's pretty solid. Now to go home and shower and work some more, really. Dinner is well on its way. I'm just making my ramen bowl because it's just legitimately the easiest thing in the whole entire world to make. And it's already 9:38 p.m. I haven't even had dinner yet. I'm sort of just not that hungry. I don't know why. Gotta eat something, so we're making this. I cut up some bell pepper here. Obviously, I have some shrimp cooking up, which I think are probably pretty much done. And then I'm gonna throw some mushrooms in the pan just to saute those up a little bit and make ourselves a little bowl. Well, I accidentally burnt my mushrooms. I tried one and it just tastes like burn, so RIP mushrooms, that's my bad. And the finished product looking so good. I still have some more work to do tonight, so as soon as I'm done eating, I'm going to dive into that. But in the meantime, back to Kardashians. So it is 11 p.m. and what I would typically do right now is crawl into bed and watch YouTube videos for like an hour. But I really want to make an effort to read more again. I just like totally fallen off really since moving to LA. So like for 6 years. I used to read so much and I just want to get better about it. So I don't even really have any books to read right now, but I'm sure I have some things on here that I haven't gotten around to yet. So I haven't finished this yet, but it's like a book of essays, so that's just not really what I'm in the mood for. Maybe I'll go with The Bean Trees. I also have some up here that I haven't read, Codename Verity. I've never read. I think I'm gonna go Bean Trees though. It's nice and light, quick. I think it'll be good. If anyone has any suggestions for books, please leave them down below. I feel like I'm a little out of touch with what the cool books are. Like, are people still reading John Green? Or is that like so 2012? I don't know, but let me know what I should pick up. I like really any kind of story. I do prefer lighter books, especially as I'm just sort of starting to get back into reading. I want to feel like I'm making some progress, so like 250 pages and less would be great. Still into young adult, but up to check out some other stuff, so let me know. I'm going to read this and head to bed now.